Hey guys, so I'm Tatiana for those of you that are new to my channel, and today's video is going to be a spring night routine, so if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. So since I got my hair dyed yesterday, I decided that I wasn't going to wash my hair, so just for this video I didn't wash my hair, but I will be showing you guys what hair products I use. And here I am just putting my hair up in a bun. So now I'm just taking off my contacts because I do not like to shower with them, even though I cannot see, like, at all. So this is the shampoo and conditioner that I use. It is the Candy Johnson OGX shampoo and conditioner, and it smells super good. So to wash my body, I use this rose quartz body wash from Bath & Body Works, which I totally recommend because it smells amazing. By the way, I felt really weird showering with the bathing suit, but you know, I had to do it because duh. So to wash my face, I've been using this Clinique face wash, which you guys, this works amazing. Like, you guys need to get this. So typically once I'm done showering, if I wash my hair, I usually comb my hair and put some hair products, but since I didn't, I just am putting it in a bun like you see here. So now I'm using the Clinique clarifying lotion, which is step 2. So now this is the final step for my skincare routine, which is the Clinique moisturizing gel. So I always like to moisturize my skin using the Rose Quartz body lotion from Bath & Body Works, which I also recommend. So I don't do this every night, but I felt like organizing my makeup vanity, so that's what I'm doing here. So the next thing I usually do before I go to bed is watch my favorite YouTubers, which is obviously the Ace family. And if you guys don't know who they are, I totally recommend watching them because they make your life better. Another thing I like to do is just go on my phone and check all my social medias and just catch up on everything. The very last thing I do before I go to bed is brush my teeth and rinse my mouth with mouthwash. Okay, so the actually very last thing I do is go on my phone and then I go to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed my spring nighttime routine video, And if you guys want to see more videos like this, please let me know, and I will definitely be doing more. And show some love, spam me on Instagram, and I will show some love back. I love you guys, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Bye!